Today's video, I'll guide you through how to cancel your Notion AI add-on subscription step by step. Start by heading to the Notion website and signing in to your account. Once you're in, open the Settings menu, then navigate to the Plans section. From there, click on See All Plans, choose your current subscription, and select the Downgrade option. This will cancel your paid plan and move your account back to the free version. Keep in mind, if you've already paid for the current billing cycle, you'll still have access to the premium features until that period ends. Another option is to cancel your subscription via email. Simply send a message clearly stating that you want to cancel your Notion AI add-on. Make sure to use a clear subject line and include your account details so the support team can verify your request. Regarding refunds, if you cancel within 3 days of a monthly subscription or within 30 days of an annual plan, you may qualify for a refund depending on their policy. That's all for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more useful guides.